Hi everyone, I'm Jiawei from Monash University. In this video, I'm going to present our work, Better Code, Better Sharing on the Need of Analyzing Jupyter Notebooks. The Jupyter Notebooks is an open source web application that allows users to create and share documents that contain live code, formulas, images, or explanatory text, as you can see from this image. According to a price study in 2019, there is a significant growing popularity of Jupyter Notebooks. By the September of 2018, there had been more than 2.5 million Jupyter repositories stored on GitHub, which is 10 times than that in 2015. However, to the best of our knowledge, our community has not proposed promising approaches to automatically analyzing Jupyter notebooks. To this end, we conduct a preliminary study of large set of Jupyter notebooks, checking if the code presented in the notebooks is of good quality. We propose the following two research questions. First one is, to what extent does the code in Jupyter notebooks respect recommended Python programming conventions? In other words, how does Python code in notebooks respect PEP 8, the official style guide for Python code? And the other research question is, how does the quality of actual code in Jupyter notebooks compare with that of independent Python code? We check in this research question if unused variables are presented in Jupyter notebooks. Additionally, we also look at if notable Jupyter notebooks contain code using deprecated functions of Python libraries. As a representative example, we investigated the use of deprecated functions from sklearn, a very popular machine learning library. To answer the two questions, we turn to a set of notable projects from a gallery of interesting Jupyter notebooks that is maintained by the Jupyter team. In this study, we choose Python-based notebooks only. We automatically collected 1,982 notable Jupyter notebooks, covering various topics as our research subject data. Each of the projects is composed of notebooks and independent Python scripts, and these independent Python scripts can be imported or used by notebooks in a similar repository. For the research question 1, we use the error ratio to measure the results, which is the value that the number of error messages produced by PEP 8 checker divided by the number of lines of code. As we can see from the table, the error ratio for notebooks and independent Python code is 36 and 13% respectively. This evidence shows that Python code presented in Jupyter notebooks are not well aligned with the recommended coding practices. As for the research question 2, we experimentally found that 118 and 66 out of 147 repositories whose Jupyter notebooks and independent Python scripts contain unused variables respectively. This shows that notebooks have introduced much more unused variables than that of independent Python scripts. Another 215 notebooks and 66 Python scripts where sklearn is used. 76 and 15 of them have somehow leveraged deprecated APIs. This result suggests that Jupyter users need to pay more attention to the quality of their code. Based on these results, we propose the following directions for future studies: enforcing good coding skills, improving code quality and reliability, applying best practices for software quality, and ensuring a good balance between text and code. Finally, I would like to share another of our work, restoring the reproducibility of Jupyter notebooks, which is accepted to exit poster check. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me via this email address.